And there's a lot of very special people for me here. I don't know how many people, but Shuby Knudsen's, Mark Knudsen, Shuby, started the Jerry Bird's All-Stars here. Well, maybe there's people in this crowd that don't know who Jerry Bird's All-Stars was. Jerry Bird's All-Stars was the first professional skydiving team out of California in the 60s that were like Airspeed and the Golden Knights then. We dominated skydiving. We won everything. We made every record. We were the champions. And it evolved a long way since then. And these guys, a lot of these guys, we had a little party the other night at my house. I don't know how many people were there, but there was more than all of them. I've known for over 30, 35, 40 years. There was a couple people, and I just want to use names because, you know, skydiving is about the relationships and the friendships you make and everything. And I was talking to somebody, Paul Jules here, one of the Sun Buddies, one of Mitch McCullough's buddies. He's Paul Jules. And he goes, "Sir, you don't know this, but do you remember when you met me or I met you or you saw you for the first time?" And he goes, "It was in Missoula, Montana." Well, you know, that's way out there in nowhere. Well, also, the reason why I was in Missoula, Montana, nice shirt, right? You know, and so, but in the evolution, I went from Jerry Bird's All-Stars, which were national and world champions in the 10-way speed star. This is a family environment. I did RW. You don't do that by yourself. So you always had the camaraderie of a teammate. From Jerry Bird's All-Stars, we went in 1973 to a team called the Columbine Turkey Farm. We beat Jerry Bird's All-Stars at the Nationals that year. They were the California team. They had the gear. They had all the sponsorship. They didn't have Jerry Bird. We won. And I don't know if he's here tonight. Jerry. Hey. I don't know if he's here tonight, but somebody was telling the story today, and Cindy Rabel was standing there, wherever she is. Right here. And I said something about, somebody told me this story. Bert, you remember people's names every once in a while. And Dr. Root, one of my best friends right there, Dr. Root, and she is the sexologist from around the world. And a fellow walked up, and I was at that team in '73, it was the Columbine Turkey Farm. We won the Nationals, we won the World Championships, 10-way speed star. And the guy says, "Excusez-moi." And okay, probably French, maybe Canadian, but he's speaking that language. And I said, "Yeah." And he goes, "Do you remember Fort Bragg, North Carolina, 1973? And I said, "Yes, I do." And he goes, "Because we won, we were world champs. You remember these things." And he goes, "I was on the French team. I've never seen you since." And I said, "There was two guys named Michel on the French team. Michel Aubray, Michel Pissot. I don't know if he's here tonight. He was here the other night. But I go, 'You're Michel Pissot.' And he was, 'Yes, I am.'" So sometimes you remember names, sometimes you don't. Then, just to go through this little story, we had the Wings of Orange. That's when we wore bird gears, our reserves on the front. We were world champions. We did a 10-way speed star, no show, no hold on that set in 12 seconds that year. BJ Wirth was on that team. Yeah. Later, the next time that, you know, I surfaced on Mirror Image. And today, we had 5 of Mirror Images, maybe 6, of the guys who are world champions here and Zephyrhills, 81, 30 years ago, right here. Mike Michigan, Jeff Farrell, BJ Wood, Roger Pond, Jake Gray, and this one right, and I was on that group too. So, a little bit of this history stuff, so, Mirror Image. And then after that, there was the Utah crowd, the Jerry's Kids, Seagull Squad, Migratory Bird Refuge. Anyway, we hope everybody's had a good time. This has been one of the great weeks for me with these guys here showing up because I know and love them all. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great evening tonight.
Zephyrhills. Banquet.